Hey, it's Rob with InyoPools.com. We've been getting a lot of questions about the Dolphin Explorer E20 and E30, specifically the differences between the two models. So I figured I'd do a quick video explaining some of the similarities as well as the differences. So let's start with the similarities. Both of these units are designed for in-ground pools. The surfaces can be gunite, fiberglass, or vinyl. They both climb the walls up the tile line. They both have the same exact power supply, and that power supply, if you leave the cleaner in the pool, it can automatically turn the cleaner on once a week, 3 times a week, or 4 times a week. They both come with a leaf canister, which can be upgraded to an ultra-fine cartridge type filter. Neither of these can be controlled remotely. They both have a 2-hour cleaning cycle, and they both have a 24-month warranty. The E20 is good for a pool size up to 32 feet long, while the E30 is good for pool sizes up to 40 feet long. The E20 has a 49-foot cable, while the E30 has a 59-foot cable. The E20 is a little lighter at 14.3 pounds, while the E30 is 16.5 pounds. And the E20 motor uses the S100 kit, while the E30 has an S300 motor kit, so it's an upgraded motor. Okay, so why choose one over the other? Let's start with the E20. You know, if your pool is under 32 feet long and you're looking for something simple to clean the floor of the pool, maybe you're thinking about this or a suction cleaner, I would definitely lean towards the Explorer E20. It works independently from your filtration system. I know it covers the pool much better than a suction style cleaner. So I definitely recommend the E20 for those instances. Plus budget wise, the E20 is going to be very close to the cost of a suction cleaner. If your pool's over 32 feet long, you definitely want to go with the E30. And another nice thing, feature of the E30 is that when it climbs up to your tile line, it'll actually push itself horizontally along the tile line and scrub it. So that's a nice added bonus there. So if you're coming down between the two and it fits in your budget, I would go with the E30. It's just an upgraded model over the E20, but either one will work well. If you have any questions about the E20 or the E30, visit us over at InyoPools.com. Thanks for watching.